What's going on, guys? Ethan with Grace and Grains Woodworks back again on another beautiful, chilly day. I am finally in a flannel, and that is all that matters going forward for the rest of the year. Wanted to hop on here and give you guys a list of things that you may or may not already have, or things that you may have and need more of. So this is gonna be a video that you can send out to family and friends and say, hey, here's a list of everything you can buy that I'll use out there in the shop. So without further ado, let's dive in. Most, if not all, of the products will be listed down below. They are affiliate links, so if you guys purchase, I do earn a small commission. That is the best way to support the channel. It will be at no additional cost to you, though. So appreciate whatever you guys do. All right, first up on the list, we've got the lesser expensive items. So these are gonna be ones that we need more of at all times. Doesn't matter, we're gonna either lose them or use them. So right here, we got the Titebond II. I really like this. This is, in my opinion, the most versatile glue you can buy out of the Titebond brand. It's interior, exterior. It's not waterproof, but it is water resistant. Titebond original is not for outdoors. So I typically always buy the Titebond II, just might as well. So next up, we got Minwax paste wax. This stuff right here is good for so many things. One, for, a lot of the furniture that I build out here for my shop, like the shelves you see back there, I always add a layer of that, along with coating our cast iron tools like the table saw, the jointer, the planer. It's really good for all of that. So one, it's good for maintenance. It's also good for actually finishing your pieces. So can never have enough of it. Buy as much as you can and give it to the loved one. So, all right, let's keep going. Right here, I don't think these are really like called bench cookies. Maybe like bench stands. I don't know. But essentially, you just set these down on your bench. So whenever you're finishing things, you can lay the piece on it, and it's up off of the workpiece. So I have a ton of these. I always recommend keeping as many on hand as possible. They're super cheap. There is nothing wrong if the person already has 500 of them. Buy them another 500 because they will lose them or use them. So, all right, let's keep moving along. All right, next up, we got PPE. So personally, I love these glasses. I don't even know what brand they are. I get them off of Amazon. Maggio? I love these. They do have the side protectors right here. I use these essentially every single day. They're so comfortable. They feel like a regular set of glasses on your face. So it's not like, they're a massive thing of, a bunch of plastic around your eyes that are digging in. So these are the most comfortable ones I found. They're super inexpensive, and they are fog proof, which is so necessary. Next up, we got the dust mask. There is not a time that I don't lose this thing. So if you can buy a ton of them, buy them a ton of them, because I lose it constantly. And also the ones that I like to buy, they have the changeable filters in there. So super easy. You can just get more of these filters and you're good to go. So, all right, next up, we've got the Milescraft drill block. Yep, Milescraft drill block. I love this thing. This thing is essentially a little mini drill press. The big thing with drill presses is, of course, being able to drill perfectly 90 holes. This thing is essentially gonna be able to do that on the go. So I use this a lot if, my drill press just if the piece is too big, things like that. This thing is an everyday grabber. You use them constantly, lose them constantly. Just keep buying them and keeping a stock of them. So pretty inexpensive. I think they're maybe 10, 11 bucks, and the woodworker in your life will love you for it. So next couple items, we've got a digital angle finder. Got it. This thing is awesome. I use this all the time for my table saw. So you can it's magnetic on the bottom, so it just sits right on the actual table saw blade, and you can find your angle. I don't always trust the the angle on the blade where you're spinning it, so I like using these personally, and I know I'm accurate every single time. So I think they're maybe 20, 30 bucks at the very most, and again, constantly lose this thing. Oh man, my allergies are killing me. Okay, next up, we've got the Fastcap Lefty Righty tape measure. I love this thing. Doesn't matter where you're measuring from, which side you're using, you can always read it. So this thing is super awesome. I always use this. It's the only tape measure I will use. So doesn't matter who it is, lefty or righty, they'll use it. So go ahead and get it. All right, next up, never mind, I gotta get a coffee to go over this one. Hang on. Okay, this thing is the FindBuyTool Helical router bit. This thing is an absolute monster. I've used this, I've done a full review on it, and it's also in a couple of my most recent projects. This thing is an absolute beast. It is, again, like I said, a helical router bit. It doesn't matter what kind of woodworker you have in your life, they will use it and love you for getting this. It does have the carbide inserts, so whenever one chips, you can just flip it to the other side. So you've got essentially 4 blades on each one. So I've used this. I've done a full review on it. If you guys want to check it out, I will put that link down in the description as well. So check it out. See if that's something you think your woodworker in your life would like. But I'm telling you, you got to get it because it is amazing. Okay, so next up we've got drill bits. We went over the router bit. That's the one I recommend. That thing is a beast. Now let's get into the drill bits. So these are by Fisch. Commander Tool sent me these to do a review on a while ago. They are absolutely unbelievable. I've never had cleaner holes in anything in my life. And they do come with the case as well. So these right here, you've got the Forstner bits along with the brad tip. These things are monsters. The cleanest holes I've ever drilled ever. Again, I've got another review on that as well. I'll put it down in the description. See if that's something you think they would like, but I'm telling you, it's one of those items that we all use every day. So go ahead and pick them up. They will love them. Okay, next up we've got the anything marking or layout wise. This right here, this is, I want to say this one's from Woodcraft, but I'll put one down in the description that I recommend. I've got a couple of them. This right here is a marking wheel, I guess you could call it. So this is really good if you're doing some precision, woodworking right here. So essentially, let's say this is your block of wood, you can mark whatever distance you want with this blade right there. So you can swap these out once one gets dull. They are pretty awesome. So, all right, we got a Machinist Square. These things are awesome for dialing in table saw, jointer, anything that you need to have at a perfect 90. So this right here, these are awesome, super accurate, and they are super heavy, so you can just let it sit there and it's not just gonna fall over constantly. So these are pretty inexpensive. I'll put this one down in the description. Pick it up. Your woodworker will love it. So all right, next up we've got a mini combo square. These things are awesome because throw them in the pocket wherever you go. They're easy to store. And they're awesome for, whenever you're doing your smaller layouts or, you're in a tighter position. These things are awesome and super cheap. So, all right, and last but certainly not least, this is the DEWALT sander. This one specifically is the DWE 6423. So I've had this thing for about 6 months now. I absolutely love it. It's an absolute beast, and the dust collection on it is fantastic. It has the I guess it's their Perform Protect series, so less vibration, update or upgraded dust control. This thing is awesome all around. It does have variable speed, so I'll put it down in the description. Again, the link is an affiliate, so if you do purchase it, I do earn a commission, but again, at no additional cost to you. So I highly recommend this. I've used it on 4 projects now for a total of, I don't know, probably 20 hours of sanding, and it is an absolute beast. So, all right, guys, well, that concludes the video. I really appreciate you guys watching. Again, this is just a good list of things that you use every day, and if you don't already have it, you should be. So you can send this list to your friends and family and give them some good ideas on what to get you, or some ideas on what to get your woodworker in your life. So again, don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you again soon.